Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. As you can see, I'm filming another video in my beautiful backyard, and today I just want to do a quick short video for a company called Sunthin. And Sunthin was nice enough to sponsor this video by sending me a set of their commercial grade LED string lights. Now, I have two sets of string lights up. I'm going to show you those specific lights. You're going to see both of them, but they're both very, very similar, as most of these commercial grade string lights all pretty much look the same. What I really like about this particular brand is that the bulbs that these use actually are made of an acrylic, whereas a lot of the other ones are actually made of glass, and I much prefer having acrylic, in the event that you have some bad weather or they get knocked around. I just think they're more durable. Let me go ahead and show you what they look like. Now, I'm not going to show you what they look like on because we're in the middle of the day. However, I always make multiple videos for companies whenever they're nice enough to send me product, and so I'll be doing a night shot of these as well. So here's what they look like. You see, they're pretty standard. This is the feet electric ones I have back here, and of course these are the ones, hopefully you guys can see that. Try to zoom in here. They're just a commercial grade, heavy duty, well reinforced, basically like a big thick extension cord, and you have this reinforced top portion where the bulbs actually meet that line and hang down. And of course here's the bulbs here. I'm going to try to get close up on that. And what they have, whoops, what I like about these is compared to the other ones, you can see that right there, they kind of have like an inverted LED, and what that does is this bursts the light really well. And this is the same kind of bulb as my feet electric ones have, except the feet electric ones are actually multiple color, whereas this is just kind of a warm white light. Not super bright. Some of the other ones I've seen out there are really bright, and what's nice about these LED lights is that you want something that's going to give you that ambiance. I basically have them mounted up to a tree. There's lots of different ways you can mount stuff like this. You can see mine are actually tied up to a anchor I made up there with some tubing that wraps around the tree. It just connects to the lights, and the lights are actually just supporting themselves but with their own weight. Now each light, another option if you want to install these, each strand has a eyelet on top, and what you can do is actually run a guide wire if you want and let the guide wire support the weight of the string. But I mean, I've had LED lights up that are like these really inexpensive ones over here. Those are like over 15 years old, and they've been outside, and they're just hanging on. I mean, they're not even commercial grade, and they still work. So something like this, commercial grade, they're definitely able to support the weight of the light. You're not running a huge strand, like at least my run is not a huge run. And if you were going to hook these up over any kind of water, make sure you check National Electrical Code. You're going to want to put those on a guide wire, but here, mine's away from my hot tub. There's no reason you can't do it like this. Eventually, I'll add another set over on top of the new pergola I'm going to build, and that will actually be on a guide wire just for safety reasons, because it's a little bit closer to the hot tub. I want to make sure they're very, very secure. Alright guys, well, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. If you want to get an awesome set of LED outdoor commercial grade string lights, definitely check out the link in the description. This is one of the nicer sets that I've seen. The great thing about them too, they hardly draw any wattage. I think the whole strand draws like, don't quote me on this, but like 15 watts. I mean, that's unheard of. So everything's LED now. I did have a set of lights up here. They were from Harbor Freight, and they were inexpensive, as like 19 bucks. I got them on sale, but they draw like 70 watts. So these, much better option. Save you a lot of power, and you don't feel bad about leaving them on all the time. I actually leave them on, even when I go to work when it's dark, just illuminate the backyard. I use them also as security lights. Super durable, they look good, they give you great ambiance, and an awesome addition to your home. Alright guys, click the link in the description. As always, have a wonderful day guys. Take care.